No need.
I
did a bit of a face plant on that one. Yes. Oh, just get you.
It's not bad, is it?
Right, get your legs up and keep them up. Right, go on. Right, keep up. Oh. Go, go. Right, Luke, give it some. Give it some. Go.
Shit the nerve. Suck my chunder.
Burp, burp. Luke. Burp, burp, burp. Didn't see shit.
God. I'm angry. I'm a man on the edge.
Yeah, fuck it.
Knock it. He's only go. Fuck off, George. You dickhead.
George! George! George!
What?
Here we Judd.
Maxxie?
Maxxie, here we Judd. Right, go, go.
What are you doing? This is called those bendy buses in London if it were like snowy, isn't it?
It's snowing downhill, yeah, so. Right, it's getting going, it's getting going. He's swimming. Action cameraman!
Oh god. Oh god. No, no, I didn't mean to. Oh, that hurt my tummy. Oh, my wee little belly. Short don't. Shitty man. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'd like to ask you a question. Hey, Sancho,
Maxxie! Alrighty there.
Do a back up. though.
Menstrual blood.
Oh, it's gone up me.
You want to go,
I
George?
just feel like a distressed seal.
Ah! Ah!
Don't be a pansy, Marcus.
She looks like Goldilocks wearing a balaclava.
Crazy tramp with all the hats.
Oh God, it's that guy with all the hats, man.
John
Wayne.
Is this me?
This fence is taking a pounding.
Oh boy, Texas. Only steers and queers come from Texas.
I did see interesting conversation.
Oh, I've got a raging semi.
I am an Indian woman.
Oh, now it's a full on. Bam.
I want to be an Indian.
Oh. Are you filming? How long have you been? Are we going back up to the top? We all know how to get you, Marcus. Just be like, what's up? What's up? Papa!
Come on.
Stop that. Go on, George, let's go.